Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video, I'm going to show you what's growing in my vegetable garden in early June. So you can see this is my vegetable garden and I have got an arch in the middle which leads to the vegetable garden. And I have got two raised beds, one lettuce wooden raised bed and lots of planters lined up around the edges. So this is the map of my vegetable garden. On this side of arch, I have got a grapevine which I will train up this arch, and it's very young plant now, but in a year time or so it will be covering the whole arch, and I think once it grows up it will be absolutely beautiful. Meanwhile, I have planted a nasturtium plant in this container on the other side of the trellis. Nasturtiums are annual and fast growing, and they will be covering the arch this year, and they produce lots of beautiful yellow orange blooms. So because grapevine will take some time to grow, I thought it will be a good idea to put another climbing vine which is fast growing and annual, so it will cover the arch, and I will have a good display this year as well. In this planter I also have got some marigold plants, so the nasturtium will climb on the trellis and the marigolds will be like on this side of the planter. Here I have got strawberry plant. This is my strawberry plant which I started from the seeds of another strawberry plant, and this is in the second year of its growth, and you can see it's loaded with strawberries. In fact, we have harvested few strawberries already, and it has got lots of strawberries on the other side as well. This is the strawberry tower which I planted myself, and these strawberry plants I grew from runners of this strawberry plant, and there are 18 strawberry plants in here. These are in their first year of growth and they are producing really well as well. We are harvesting lots of strawberries these days, so they are growing really nice, and I'm really happy how they have turned out. I will include a link in the description box where I planted this strawberry tower. If you are interested, please check it out. And next I have got some marigold plants. This is a planter with marigold plants in it, and you can see they have budded up already, and soon they will be producing lots of blooms. I started these from seeds as well. Next I have got another strawberry plant which is the oldest in my garden, and I bought it from a shop, and it has been producing lots of strawberries every year, and I think it's quite old now, so I may discard it next year. Here I have got more zinnias in this container which I grew from seeds, and you can see they already have got buds on them. Zinnias are really beautiful, colorful plants, and I really love them growing in my garden, so I have started loads and loads of zinnia plants from seeds, and I have planted them in the containers. Here I have got a lemon tree, and this is in this 40 centimeter diameter container, and you can see it has got its first bloom and lots of buds. So I'm looking forward to harvesting some really nice lemons this year. Next, another container with more marigold plants in it. They are budding up already. Next I have got an orange tree in this 40 centimeter diameter container. This is mini orange tree, and it has got nice beautiful blooms on it, so I think I'll be harvesting a few oranges this year as well. So it's growing nice and good for me. I will include the link in the description box where I have potted up these citrus plants, so if you are interested you can check it out. Next I have got another planter with more zinnia plants in it, and they are growing really nicely. Next I have got a kumquat tree with loads and loads of fruit on it in this big patio container, And kumquat is a hybrid of orange and lemons, and they produce really nice small sized yummy kumquats with a sweet skin, so you can eat them as a whole, and it's loaded with all these fruit, and I'm really loving this container. On this side of my yard I have got a few containers. This is blueberry plant. I have planted it a couple of days ago and it's doing really well. Here in this big container I started loads and loads of seeds of melon, and you can see they have all germinated and doing really well. In fact, they are having their first set of true leaves. I will be thinning these seedlings, so once they are nice and healthy I'll keep 5 to 6 seedlings in here and take out the rest. So I'm hoping to harvest nice melons this year. Here my acer tree which will go in my front yard. Next I have got a blackberry bush in this big patio container with trellis around it. So I will train it up this trellis, and it has got its first bloom and lots of birds. So we will be harvesting some blackberries as well. A nasturtium vine in a small container which I will train up this fence, and I think it will look really beautiful. Here is my kids mini fairy garden, and they started seeds in here and they have got lots of tiny tools and they're really enjoying seeing them growing. Here I have got raspberry bush and loganberry bush in this container. Raspberry is not looking really good. I don't know how it behaves. Basically, this is my first year of growing raspberries. It has got blooms and it is starting to form raspberries, but it's not growing huge like blackberry and loganberry. The leaves are tiny, and I'm not really sure what's going on. We will see how it goes. And this is the loganberry bush, which is the cross between raspberry and blackberry, and I think we will be harvesting nice berries from these containers. Here is peony tree in this container which I will be planting in my front yard. Loads and loads of lettuce. There are 3 varieties of lettuce, and we are harvesting lettuce every day to go in our salad, and we are really enjoying it. Really fun experience to grow your own lettuce. Loads of tomato plants in this raised bed, and there are cherry tomatoes in here, salad tomatoes, moneymaker tomatoes, and I think they are doing really well. Couple of strawberry plants tucked around the corner. Here's some more tomato plants which I could not fit in the other side of the raised bed. Lots of radish plants which are kind of getting mature now and going to bolt. I'll harvest the radishes which are still nice to eat and let the others go bolting so I can collect some seeds. Once the radishes are done, I'll be planting my pepper plants in here. My pepper plants are in greenhouse and they are not very much at the moment. So I have planted some of the pepper plants in here. You can see they're still tiny. I have got carrots and they are doing really nice. Garlic in here. And I planted this garlic in November and you can see it's maturing really nicely. We will be harvesting garlic next month hopefully, and it's because it's been really warm, it's kind of looking tiring, but we still need to give it some more time to go. Lots of pea plants which are going up this Moodle lettuce. They have got lots of pretty white blooms which look like tiny butterflies and really beautiful. And some more radish plants which I will harvest, and I will prepare this bed for my cucumber plants which are in my greenhouse. Some more garlic plants which I planted in spring, so they are baby plants at the moment. A nasturtium seedling which I will train off this side of fence. Loads of mint which I started from mint cuttings, and another planter with zinnia plants and the grapevine. So here comes the end of the vegetable garden. This is everything which is growing in my vegetable garden, and it's looking really nice and lush at the moment. Here on the other side of the yard I have got a couple of planters, and here I have got kiwi plant in this big container with obelisk around it, and some sweet pea plants which I will train up this obelisk, and I think they will look absolutely beautiful once they start blooming. So this is the overview of my vegetable garden. This is looking very pretty. We designed it ourselves and we did lots of hard work to make it happen. I'm really loving all these plants which are growing here. Most of them I started from seeds. So I decided to harvest the radishes from this bed. As you can see, they were already very big and they are kind of getting tough now. So I thought I would clear the bed now, and on the forecast we are having a rainy weather for a couple of days, so I think I will leave the bed empty, and once the weather clears up then I'll putting my cucumber plants in this bed. So hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful to see what's growing in my vegetable garden in early June. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.